Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. For today's card, I'm featuring the Celebrate You Thinlit dies that are free with a $120 purchase during celebration. So I have a piece of Thick Whisper White as my card base. I'm using the Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper as my card front, and just a little bit of Tombow glue there to adhere it to the front. I was out of fast fuse when I was making this video. So I am going to die cut some silver foil paper with an adhesive sheet on the back of it, and I'm going to do a different sandwich. So I have my magnetic platform, a clean plate, my die cut facing up, then my cardstock with the adhesive, and then my marred plate on top of that, and then I run it through. So basically the die cut is facing the sky. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I have been told that it actually cuts better than when your die cut faces the ground or the earth. So I am trying it out. I would like you to test it out as well with your die cutting machine and see how it cuts, how it does with the intricate stuff. Just let me know what your thoughts are on it. This is maybe the 5th time I've done it, and it has been a success so far. So even, I know that I have sort of a dead spot in my Big Shot, so I always have to run things through kind of wonkily or you know, back and forth and that sort of thing. So anyway, I'm trying this out and it seems to be working really well. Okay, so onto the card. I've die cut all the flowers from the Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper, and I was a part of a paper share, so we got 6x6 papers. And so what I've decided to do is just sort of cut them, and you know, some were you know, closer to the edges, and so I just went with that, and some I was able to cut out, fussy cut all of these, by the way. I actually enjoy it, doesn't bother me one bit, and I've put them on different layers. So the one in the corner there has 2 dimensionals on it, and some just have 1, and then these ones I'm adhering straight to the card front. And then with the Celebrate word that I die cut with my adhesive behind it, it was just like a great big sticker. So I'm actually really quite impressed with this whole little card. It doesn't have 1 iota of stamping on it. Not that I'm, you know, have an aversion to stamping, but sometimes, you know, you like to mix it up. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for hanging, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.